Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I wanted to talk with you guys seriously about a particular YouTuber who I feel needs to be in my 2019 freshman class of tech tubers. And so I'm going to give a shout out to Mill Hustles. Now, I'm a no BS type of person, and I like YouTubers that are no BS type. And Mill Hustles is one of those no BS types. For me, the best thing that you can get out of him is the fact that he's very fast with deals on smartphones. So deals that are hitting the market, and also things that he grabs from his sources that he's able to provide to us before it even hits mainstream media is something that I definitely appreciate about his channel. As a matter of fact, the video that I did about the BOGO deal for the LG G6 on Boost Mobile, he was the one who actually informed me about it before I was able to actually see that they were having this amazing deal. And he's really fast at getting it out there. And one of the major things that I appreciate about his videos is unlike me, who sometimes rambles and mumbles on about things, it's a fast delivery. You're gonna get it quick, fast, and in a hurry, so that way you can jump on the deals that he is talking about in his videos. You guys can also find him live streaming on Magic Tech Review's channel, and he has a good mind and good insight as far as picking mobile devices, understanding different OS platforms. He can pretty much do it all, but his main niche is that he wants to give you guys all the info on the best deals. And so because of that reason, I want him in the 2019 freshman class of tech tubers. And for those who have not discovered him, hopefully you guys will go. I really would suggest, on a personal level, if you guys are my next door neighbor, or if you guys just knew me from the streets, honestly, I'm telling you guys to check out his channel and subscribe. Because I've been a long-time subscriber of his and a long-time supporter, and his videos are just, to me, they're just banging, right? No BS, no extra shit involved, right? Straight and to the point. Grab this deal. And when he does talk about mobile smartphones, straight to the point. This is what he finds good. This is what he finds bad. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. He ain't baking you a three-tier cake. You know what I mean? He's just a no BS guy, and I can really appreciate that. And I think if you guys want all this news, all these deals delivered to you quick, fast, and in a hurry with no extra shit involved, you're going to want to follow his channel. So, link in the description to Mill Hustle's channel. And, yeah, you guys don't have to tell him that I sent you there. Just check out his videos. Drop likes on his videos if you guys enjoy his content. Subscribe to him. Help his channel grow. There are a lot of YouTubers that I feel need that support, need that push. Because the algorithm on YouTube does not push us to the forefront for people to discover our channels and our videos, right? And so that's what I'm doing with my channel. So, again, link in the description. Check out his channel. Currently, right now, he's pushing 1,089 subscribers according to YouTube. Could be a little bit more. But definitely go check out his channel. And drop likes on his videos. And find those great deals, right? Because, yeah, that's it's always a great thing to get deals on new devices. So, without rambling on anymore, thanks for checking out my video. Again, if you know a YouTuber that could use that push, drop their channel link in the comment section of the video, and I will check out their channel, and I will do some coverage on them. And if they make it into the 2019 freshman class, that's great. So, again, thanks for watching. As always, aloha.